Alright, that car was really freaking fast. That car is stupid fast. Nice. I had to drop a couple gears. I probably should have dropped an extra gear. But I'm on a ZX-10. I should have. I'm not pulling away from them as much as you would think. People are like today, like, oh yeah, my 600 will beat anything. Bullshit. I don't know what the fuck he's got in that thing, but holy shit. I'm guessing full exhaust and a big giant turbo. It's also a little car. That's a great car. I mean, if I was in the if I was needing to buy a new car right now, I wouldn't go for another Corvette. I'd get something like that. You can get the Golf R and upgrade the turbo and downpipe and tune and shit and have over 400 at the wheel very easily in a little all-wheel drive hatchback. If I was on a 600, he would have fucking raped me. It would have been over. He would have beat a 750. And you look at that car and go, nothing big. It's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder. That's why I laugh at 600 guys. Oh, my 600 beats everything. Shut up. It doesn't. That car right there, a little VW. And I don't think that was an R, so that probably wasn't even the all-wheel drive. It was just a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder Golf with a bunch of work done to it. Would absolutely spank any 600 unless the 600's got boost. And even then, you're going to boost the 600, you're not going to make as much power as this. So that was interesting. I'm glad I got that on video. Because this thing is absolutely blistering fast. But I'll tell you right now, that would have eaten my Vet. I could take him off the line just because of my launch control and rear engine, a mid-engine, and my traction and stuff. But from a roll, that thing would have eaten my Vet. Not on the top end probably, but there are some seriously quick cars out there, people. The days of a 600 just automatically beating everything on the road, so long gone. So long gone. 600s have been around the same. They got more capable on track with better brakes and suspension, and they made a little more power. They've gone up like 10 horsepower in 20 years. And they got electronics and better tires. Like, they'll post a better lap time, but their top speed's still around 160. And their acceleration is, marginally better. Not much. But that little VW would have destroyed any 600 I've ever seen. It would have eaten both of my 750s. Absolutely. So, yeah, that was fast. I don't remember what the hell I was talking about. I just saw him coming up in my mirror, and I was like, oh, I'll give him a little run. And I just goosed it, but it wasn't, he was still gaining on me, so I had to downshift real quick. And even then, it wasn't until I got up in the revs. Wow, impressive.